Welcome back to infyGyan friends. In this video we are going to take up one very interesting and challenging system of equations. Here we have fifth root of x plus square root y plus fifth root of x minus square root y equal to 2 and y minus x square equal to 1. We have to find out real xy. So let's get started by writing equation numbers. This is 1 and this is equation number 2. Now I will write our substitution. First radical, first fifth root, I will consider A, and second fifth root, I will consider B. Let me frame now equation. So first equation will become A plus B equal to 2. And second equation is as it is, y minus x square equal to 1. Now let me write, if fifth root of x plus square root y is A, then I can write A power 5, it would be x plus root y, and b power 5 I will write x minus root y. Similarly, okay, let us add both the equations. I will get a power 5 plus b power 5 plus square root y minus square root y will be over, so 2x. Now I will use product. So let me consider product between a power 5 and b power 5. So I will write x plus root y. Let me write here in one bracket. In second bracket, x minus root y, a plus b, a minus b. So I can write a square minus b square, difference of two squares. So I will write x square minus y it will become. And if you will see equation number 2, y is equal to, let me write from here, y is equal to x square plus 1, or you will write x square minus y equal to minus 1 from equation number 2. So here I will put minus 1, which can be further written as minus 1 whole power 5. Once negative number having odd power, the number will be negative. So it is 1, minus 1 raised to the power 5 is minus 1. Now left hand side if I will write, it is ab whole power 5 equal to minus 1 whole power 5. So I can conclude my statement, that is ab equal to negative 1. So far we have concluded a plus b equal to 2, this equation, and second equation for the new system of equations, ab equal to minus 1. Now I will solve these two for the value of a power 5 plus b power 5, and then I will equate that value to x. Okay, let us do that. A plus b is 2, ab is negative 1, and I am targeting a power 5 plus b power 5, and I will put this value 2x. Okay, let us consider equation number 3 and 4. So I will write 3 and 4. Now consider squaring of equation 3. This is 3. Let me write here a plus b whole square, and that would be equal to 2 square. So I will be having a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is one algebraic identity. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab equal to 4. Now we know that ab is negative 1. Let us put this value here. So it will become a square plus b square minus 2 equal to 4. So I will write a square plus b square value, it would be 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now I will consider cubing of the same equation. So I will write a plus b whole cube equal to 2 whole cube. Cube. Consider cube both sides for equation number 3. Let us apply the formula a plus b whole cube. So it is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. Let's put the value of ab and a plus b. AB is minus 1. So I will write A cube plus B cube plus 3 times minus 1. A plus B is 2 equal to 8. So A cube plus B cube minus 6 is equal to 8. So from here I can conclude A cube plus B cube, add 6 to both sides, 8 plus 6, 14. Now we know A square plus B square is equal to 6, A cube plus B cube equal to 14, and I am targeting A power 5 plus B power 5 so that I can put that value equal to 2x. So I will take product of A square plus B square and A cube plus B cube. Let me write here product of A square plus B square times A cube plus B cube. So it was 6 times 14. Cube summation is 14, square summation is 6. So let us expand. So I will A square times A cube, A power 5. B square times B cube, so B power 5. A square cross multiplication, A square B cube and A cube B square equal to 6 times 14 is 84. Now here I will write 2x. So let me write here 2x plus, from here I will take A square B square common. So in bracket I will write A plus B equal to 84. Now we know that AB was minus 1 and A plus B was original equation, it was 2. So let us apply the value of AB and A plus B. So I will write here 2x plus minus 1 whole square times A plus B is 2 equal to 84. So 2x plus 2 minus 1 square is 1 plus 2 equal to 84. Take away 2 from both sides. So 2x will be equal to 82. Now divide both sides with 2. So x will become 82 over 2. So 41. Now one variable is known, that is x. Now I can calculate y. Y will be from this equation, this second equation, y will be x square plus 1. So 41 square plus 1. If you will check 41 square, it is 1681 plus 1. So I will write y value is 1682. So let me write our final answer. X is equal to 41 and y is equal to 1682. I hope this video will be meaningful to you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, friends. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care.